Meet Clifford.
Instead of a big red dog, it's a big red truck.
Yep, Clifford, the big red truck.
Patril loved Clifford as a child, the big red dog, so we had to name the truck that's big and red Clifford.
Randy, thanks for getting to this truck.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Edwards County Motors, Albion, Illinois. You sell a lot of trucks, right, Randy?
Yeah, that's our big thing. Trucks and SUVs.
Made specifically for us.
Exactly.
Well, Clifford is definitely a big red truck.
Yeah. We had to get our sunglasses on just to look at the truck.
Yeah. There's lots of him.
I like the new truck smell.
Well, Tom and Mom, meet Clifford.
Yay!
The big red truck.
Looks sharp.
It's
Really nice.
Nice.
Oh,
Well,
that should help.
folks have been making fun of our she truck. Every video somebody says, well, that truck's not big enough to pull all those new tractors you're talking about.
This one isn't either.
You have to get rid of it now?
Oh, but it is nice. We'll try this one, and if this doesn't work, go for another size.
I tell you what, we haven't even signed all the papers yet.
I know.
Somebody tells us it's not big enough.
Oh,
Never big enough.
it looks good to me.
I think you'll make her work. I think it will work just adequately. Very adequate.
And it's red.
Yes, it is.
He says, now, your dad likes to dress him up a little bit.
Yes, he does. I will agree with that.
Yeah, y'all don't have enough dress on it yet to suit. Just tweak them just a little. Just a little. Yeah, you need chrome. You need shiny.
Need
hand
more
latches.
chrome somewhere.
Yeah, you can put it on your door latches.
Mm.
Yeah.
So you like the color?
Well, yeah, that's the only color I make. It's red for a truck.
Well, that's what we've learned over the years. So
Yeah, that's nice. 350. Yeah, you got a heavy duty then.
Taller than I am.
Yeah.
I basically had to have the running boards. I couldn't get up
You
on it
couldn't?
without
Yeah.
it.
Oh, yes.
With the handholds up there, it's a lot easier to get in though.
Now you might ask, why Ford and why red? Well, the answer to both of those questions are easy. My dad's had a red Ford F-350 since before I was born. Here's the 1993 model, and then here's a 2013 model, I believe. So our choice had more to do with sentimental value than it did with anything more technical.
Okay, we just got that truck last week. And now he's using it for something we really hadn't planned on. But I don't know if our ridgeline would have pulled Johnny out or not. It just seems better to have a bigger truck, right? Johnny's in a bit of a predicament.
we need a mower for Clifford.
Yeah, we do.
He's a lot cooler.
He is a lot cooler. That's because he has a cab.
I don't know that he's cooler, but his cab's a lot cooler.
Yeah.
We're parked out here in Big Truck Row. We're gonna have a lot more on Clifford in the future. He's got a lot of interesting features that require some programming and some things like that. So, yeah, hang with us. We'll tell you more about it later.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.